Mastering Aussie Slang. Understanding A Bludge. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and intriguing aspect of English language learning, Australian slang. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, a bludge. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about Aussie slang, this video is for you. A bludge is a uniquely Australian slang term that refers to an easy task or something that involves minimal effort. It's often used in casual conversation to describe situations where someone is avoiding hard work or just taking it easy. For example, that job is such a bludge means the job is easy or not very demanding. The term bludge originally comes from the word bludger, which in early 20th century Australian English referred to a person who lived off the earnings of a prostitute, essentially, a pimp. Over time, the term evolved and lost this specific connotation. Nowadays, bludge has a much broader and less offensive meaning, relating to avoiding work or effort in general. When using a bludge in conversation, it's important to understand the context. It's usually used in informal settings. For example, if a student says, "This class is a bludge," they mean that the class is easy or not very challenging. It's a light-hearted way to express that something is not as hard as it could be. There are a few variations of a bludge that you might hear. Bludging, used as a verb, means engaging in an easy task or avoiding work. For instance, "He's just bludging around," implies that the person is not doing much. Another variation is bludger, which can sometimes refer to a person who is lazy or avoids work. Understanding phrases like a bludge can add a fun and authentic touch to your English skills, especially if you're interested in Australian English. We hope this exploration of Aussie slang has been enjoyable and informative. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the journey of language learning. See you in our next video.